The first line is only made once you really understand the conditions of the site, the context, the programme, the client's brief, have explored and really looked and got underneath the skin of everything. By the time you start to mark the paper with the pen, those lines are meaningful. In terms of its reference points and knowing what Derwent stand for, it had to be a kind of reinterpretation of amazing Victorian warehouse buildings. We did a huge amount of sort of forensic analysis of what makes a Victorian warehouse work. It's a material thing, a compositional thing. It's about hierarchies, it's about rhythm, it's about depth, it's about colour and variation. And gradually you realise as you go through this process that how the building touches the ground, how it elevates into its body, the central trunk, how it then steps back, how things kind of emerge at the top, all of those have meaning. And it's exactly what we've tried to do. We've tried to sort of take all of those critical elements that we can see across lots and lots of different buildings of its ilk, and then kind of extract and abstract them into a kind of contemporary version. We just wanted to celebrate in a contemporary way piers, lintels, windows. Textural references, the material quality of the brickwork, the framing of the windows, the louvers, all those sorts of things have all come out of that kind of real forensic understanding of what sort of details and what sort of materials make these buildings sing. The Featherstone Building is a building which is of its place, of its fabric, very background, with generosity, but very subtle. Everything that we do is about making a lasting memory, really adding to a sense of place.